Have you ever heard the word caesious? It describes a very specific and subtle color found often in nature. Caesious refers to a light bluish-gray or grayish-green hue. Think of the soft bloom on certain fruits or leaves. It's a delicate, often muted color, distinct from a bright blue or a vibrant green. Let's explore where it comes from. The word caesious originates from the Latin word caesius. It has historical roots describing a specific visual quality. In ancient Rome, Caesious often described light blue or grayish blue eyes, highlighting its connection to pale, cool tones. Nature is abundant with examples of caesious coloration, especially in the plant kingdom. It often serves as protective camouflage. Consider the leaves of many eucalyptus species. They possess a distinct powdery, grayish-blue or grayish-green surface, perfectly caesious. This coloration, called glaucousness, helps reflect sunlight and prevent water loss in arid environments. A beautiful adaptation. Many succulents, like certain echeveria varieties, also display beautiful caesious tones on their fleshy leaves, often with pinkish edges. The fine waxy coating creating this caesious look is known as farina, offering protection from harsh sun and moisture. Look closely at the needles of some conifers, like the blue spruce. Their characteristic color is a prime example of caesious. This striking caesious foliage makes them popular ornamental trees, adding cool tones to gardens and landscapes year-round. Moving to the animal kingdom, the plumage of certain birds can exhibit caesious shades, often subtle and blended. Think of the delicate gray-blue on the back of a nuthatch, or the subtle hues on some heron species. Even insects can display caesious colors. Some dragonflies or damselflies have bodies or wings with this powdery blue-gray appearance. This coloration in insects, called prunescence, is a waxy coating that can serve various functions, including thermoregulation or display. Minerals and rocks can also appear caesious. Certain types of slate or weathered stones possess that characteristic bluish-gray hue. Imagine smooth, water-worn pebbles on a beach, some exhibiting soft, muted caesious colors from their mineral composition. Even underwater, subtle caesious tones might appear on certain corals or the scales of specific fish adapting to muted light. Caesious is truly woven into the fabric of the natural world, a testament to nature's diverse and subtle color palette. Visually, caesious occupies a space between blue, gray, and green. It's cool, calm, and often associated with atmospheric effects. Imagine a color palette derived from a misty morning landscape. Those are the quintessential shades of caesious. Artists sometimes utilize these subtle hues to create mood, depth, or represent specific natural elements in their work. The term caesious is primarily used in botany and sometimes ornithology for precise descriptions of plant or animal coloration. It's a specific descriptor for that unique bluish-gray or grayish-green, often powdery or waxy appearance seen across nature. So next time you see that soft, muted blue-gray-green, remember the word caesious, a subtle color with a specific name.